Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the edge element not found error. This issue can happen due to system file errors or broken Windows processes. First, open Task Manager. Press Ctrl Shift S on your keyboard. This will open Task Manager. Go to the Details tab. In the Details tab, locate explorer.exe, select it, then right-click on it, choose End Task, then click End Process. Once done, click Run New Task, type explorer.exe, make sure to check Create this task with administrative privileges, click OK, then click Run New Task again. Type cmd.exe. Enable administrative privileges, then click OK. The command prompt will open. Type sfc/scannow. Press Enter and wait for the scan to complete. Once finished, press the Windows key, click the power icon, and restart your computer. And that's it. We just learned how to fix the edge element not found error by restarting Windows Explorer and running a system file scan. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delph Stack tutorial video.